Welcome to Inspiring Tales. Inside every one of us, there is a quiet battle between who we are and who we want to be. A long time ago, a wise old grandfather sat under the tall green pine trees, watching the beautiful sunset over the mountains. Suddenly, his young grandson walked into the forest. The boy looked very upset, with angry eyes and closed fists. The boy sat down by the fire. A friend had treated him badly, and his heart was full of anger and hurt feelings. The grandfather looked at him with warm, kind eyes. He understood the boy's pain very well. The old man moved the firewood gently, sending small golden sparks flying into the cool night air. "My grandson," the old man said softly, "there is a big fight inside me. In fact, this fight happens inside every person." The boy looked up with big, curious eyes. He wondered what kind of fight his wise and peaceful grandfather was talking about. The night grew quiet around them. The tall trees stood still as the grandfather began to tell his special story. "Imagine," the old man said, "two strong wolves living inside your heart, fighting every single day. One wolf is dark and angry. He represents jealousy, sadness, bad temper, greed, pride, and hate. This dark wolf gets angry very easily. He always wants to fight and feels upset about everything around him. When you feel jealous of others or stay angry for a long time, you make this dark wolf stronger inside you. He has no peace in his heart. He thinks everyone is against him, making small problems look very big. His bad mood takes away your happiness and stops you from enjoying the simple, beautiful things in life." The grandfather stopped talking for a moment, looking into the warm flames with a gentle, peaceful smile. "The other wolf," he continued, "is full of light. He represents joy, peace, love, hope, kindness, and truth. This beautiful white wolf is calm and friendly. He does not hurt anyone and always chooses peace over fighting. He is happy when other people do well. When there is a problem, he stays patient and brings hope. This wolf lives in peace with the world because real power comes from being kind, gentle, and calm. Both of these wolves live inside all of us. Every day they fight inside our minds, our words, and our actions. The dark wolf tells you to yell, get mad, and hurt other people whenever you feel upset. But the white wolf asks you to stop, take a slow breath, forgive, and be a good person. This choice happens every day. It shows who we are and decides how happy our lives will be." The young boy listened very carefully, imagining the two great wolves standing on a high mountain cliff. His anger began to go away. He saw that his bad feelings were just the dark wolf trying to take over. He looked into his grandfather's eyes and asked an important question. "Grandfather, which wolf will win the fight?" The old man smiled softly as the fire crackled in the cool night air. He gave a very simple answer: "The one you feed." The forest became quiet again. The grandfather's words stayed deep inside the boy's heart. Now, let us learn a few simple but powerful English words from this story to help you improve your English. First is the word resentment. Resentment means staying angry at someone for a long time because they hurt you. Holding on to anger is like holding a hot rock to throw at someone else. It only burns your own hand. Next is the word humility. Humility means being modest, not bragging, and being ready to learn from others. Another good word is empathy. Empathy means understanding how other people feel and caring about them. In our daily lives, we feed these two wolves through the simple choices we make every day. When we watch negative things, say mean words, or complain all the time, we feed the dark wolf. When we say thank you, help a friend, read good books, and smile, we feed the good white wolf. Think about how your body feels when you are angry compared to when you feel happy and calm. Learning English is not just about grammar rules. It is also about learning great ideas that help us live better lives. Some people say both wolves have a purpose. The dark wolf has strong energy and can protect us when needed. When we control our energy with kindness, we become strong, calm, and wise. Real strength means choosing peace and keeping your mind calm, even when things are difficult. Look at the bright stars above. Just like the big sky, your mind is full of good possibilities. The young boy took a deep breath by the fire. The heavy feeling in his heart was completely gone. He understood that his friend's mistake did not need to make him angry. He could choose to be patient instead. The grandfather put a gentle hand on the boy's shoulder, feeling happy that his grandson learned this lesson. The cool night breeze moved through the trees, making a soft and relaxing sound. Every new morning brings a fresh start. You can choose which wolf will guide your day. No matter what happened yesterday, today is a new chance to be kind, speak good words, and practice your English. When a problem happens, remember you can always choose how you react. You have that power. Fill your mind with good thoughts. Say nice things to other people, and do not let anger control you. Every moment is special. Use your time to build good habits, show love, and help others. Take a moment today to think of 3 good things in your life. This gives great energy to your good wolf. Whenever you feel angry or sad, remember the story of the grandfather and the 2 wolves. Let kindness guide your steps, helping you grow wiser and happier every day. The grandfather's question is for all of us today. Which wolf are you feeding right now? As the fire dies down, think about your thoughts and the daily choices you made this week. Always remember, the wolf that wins is the one you feed with your thoughts and actions. Thank you for watching Inspiring Tales. Keep learning English, stay peaceful, and feed your good wolf today.